Hi, this is CJdropshipping. Get products information, accurate product display, latest trending news, and price comprehension all in one video. Are you looking for your winning products? After watching this video, you will know what to sell and scale up your store. In today's video, I will unbox 3 popular products based on our audience pick. Here are all the products, and I will show you guys one by one from product's packaging outlook to the selling point. And a ready video will be presented at the end of each product. Make sure you watch until the end. If you like this unboxing series, please give us a thumbs up to show your love and subscribe to our channel CJdropshipping. Comment below what products you want to see for unboxing. You might see your products in our next video. Let's dive into the content. Portable baby crib. This is a portable baby crib. When I receive it, it just looks like this, only packed with a clear plastic bag. I can totally imagine how a customer would receive a tattered package. If you're already selling this product, get your custom package done will be a big bonus. It's a cushion-style crib at first sight. After unzip it, it will turn into a portable baby crib right away. Pure cotton material won't hurt a baby's sensitive skin. Special Velcro design for the bottom pads, which make the hip pads removable. Perfectly suited for different height of baby. One size fits for all can avoid inventory issues and inappropriate size problem caused by too many varieties. Most crib in the market are unfoldable, and it takes more volume during the transport. It can be deformed or damaged easily. But this one is perfectly for transport, with no deformation on the way, which will surely lower the future dispute rate. It is suitable for mother and baby niche stores, gift stores, and general stores. Now let's check out the price on AliExpress. It costs $31.04 product price plus $15.68 AliExpress standard shipping to the USA, which takes 37 days if I purchase right now. The total cost in Ali is $46.72. However, on CJ, the product's price is $9.17. The best shipping method is CJ Packet Ordinary, which takes about 8 to 13 days to the USA, which costs $10.28. So the total dropshipping budget is $21.98, much lower than Ali. A mother and baby product with a high quality like this one, I believe it can easily triple or quadruple the selling price. Imagine the profit in the between. Here is a ready video, let's check it out. Busy Bag Spinner. Our following product is the Busy Bag Spinner. This product didn't really interest me until I saw this video. Look at how adorable when the girl spins the toy. I purchased from 1688 and chose a volume for 3. Look at this package, thick cartoon print with all English words and clear product pictures. And it's really intimidated print all the precautions in different language in the bottom of the package, which states it's not suitable for children under 18 months. The spinner has 2 layers. The first layer is a cute insects like butterflies, bees, or a bug. The second layer is rotatable balls for different numbers and colors. Parents can help baby to learn basic numbers, colors, and insect names. Besides, it has a suction caps below. Thus, it can touch on any surface and it's smooth and flat. And there is no rough edges so that baby won't get hurt or swallow any parts of this toy. Lower the future dispute rate, it has a different style and colors, and you can sell it in packs or create your own combination of the set to increase the average value. It is suitable for toy niche and mother and baby niche stores or general stores. Let's check out the dropshipping budget on CJdropshipping and AliExpress. On AliExpress, it costs $9.86 product price plus $1.84. AliExpress standard shipping to the USA. The total cost in Ali is $11.70. However, on CJ, the product price is $3.20 plus a $5.82 shipping fee. $9.02 in total. The shipping fee is higher, but don't forget, CJ's total budget is much cheaper and CJ's delivery time is 8 to 13 days, way shorter than AliExpress 37 days. Here is a ready video that can use for advertising product descriptions. DIY member film. Our next product is a DIY member film, which is my personal favorite. I can't wait to show you guys the ready video for it. It's a POD product designed to make a surprise to your friends and family. Once unroll the film, you will have a wow effect immediately.
Oh my God! Wow!
Seeing all different photos like a replay of memory in a movie. Vintage film style, each film can have 10 pieces of photo inside. I ordered a set of a wooden box and a DIY member film. The wooden box makes the whole gift look quite unique and expensive. The film can be tagged with a key loop to carry around. Customer only need to upload the pictures. Print on demand has already adding some extra points when selling it. This product is suitable to give out as a gift on all kinds of anniversaries or events. It is suitable for gift niche store, general stores, or one product stores. And it's an evergreen product that can be sold all year and to all the countries. Let's check out the price in AliExpress and the CJdropshipping. In Ali, $14 product price plus a $1 standard shipping cost. The total dropshipping price is $15 with more than 1 month shipping time. We have the same product of $11.30 plus $3.58 shipping cost in CJ. So the total dropshipping value is $14.88. Similar dropshipping price but with much faster delivery. Which one is your pick? That's all for today's video about 3 dropshipping products, unboxing and reviews. If you like what we did for the ready video, just comment below, let us know which products you want to see in the professional product shooting. Like to show your support. Always remember to subscribe us. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest with your friends and family members. Thank you for watching it. See you next video. Bye!